How do you get people to watch your videos? Well, they have to find you first. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Pagan, and today I'm going to show you how to get found on YouTube. So I talked about how you need to use keywords that your target audience searches for in your title, your description, and your tag. Well, how do you know that you're using the right keywords? The answer is TubeBuddy. Let's not lie, I'm pretty lazy. Super efficient. I don't have the time to waste searching online for the best keywords, researching titles, researching tags, all this stuff. Because, I have a business to run. I have clients to work with. I have video content to make, blog posts to put out, newsletters, social media, and all the other things that I want to do for my business. So I use TubeBuddy to research tags and headlines for my video. Before I get into TubeBuddy, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for the latest videos. So here's how to use TubeBuddy. Okay, so first we're going to research titles for YouTube videos. So this is basically how I come up with my headlines, titles, whatever you want to call it for YouTube. One of the videos I created was about uploading your YouTube video. So I'm going to start with upload videos to YouTube. And then you just click show keyword score and it's bad. So I do not want to use this for my YouTube title. Maybe how to upload videos to YouTube. And I'm going to show keywords, but you'll also see these related searches. How to upload videos to YouTube from Xbox One, from iPhone, from PS4. Let me click on one of these. It got better, but it's not great. This one says very good, so I went ahead and used this as my title for my video. Okay, so next we're going to look at tags. If you look right here, it says most used tags, and you'll see YouTube, upload videos to YouTube, how to upload videos to YouTube. So you can actually click on all these and copy them. And then you can go ahead and paste them to your video. And so when you're searching for your title, you'll just look at the first few videos and see how many, you want to get the videos with more than 3 views, 7 views. Well, I already have one, so I'll just put social media marketing agency. And then when you're looking at this video, it has over 200,000 views. So I'm just going to look at their tags over here. So you see how to start social media marketing. Well, you don't need this. Maybe like social media marketing strategies, social media marketing tricks. So you can add all those to your video. So I'm going to type social media marketing. Also, when you're typing this in, you can click on it and it will show trending. And you can actually copy these tags and add them to your video. So how to social media marketing, social media business marketing, and then click this one because you already have it and copy. And then you can just paste it. So if you're interested in using TubeBuddy, I've put my affiliate link in the description box down below. Don't worry, TubeBuddy is actually free. And I've actually used the free version in this video. But I do have the paid version and it saves so much more time. Let me know in the comments below if you use TubeBuddy or if you use another tool instead. Again, if you like this video and you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.